Today in this video, we are going to show you how to install apps on your Vizio TV. Press the V button or home button on your remote. You will see a bunch of apps there and just select the app you want to install. Most models, there are only really a small amount of apps that are available with this method. Another way to install apps. Install app, open the app, tap the cast logo in the app. One final way you can get apps. Plugging a Fire Stick or a Roku into the back of your TV. Now we are going to show you a bunch of apps that we think you should check out. The first one is Lowcast, which if you want to get local channels on your TV. Three other apps that are worth checking out are Zumo, Tubi TV, Pluto TV. Three apps are 100% free and legal. They have lot of movies, TV sports channels. If this worked for you, please leave a like and comment down below. Thanks for watching.